Hello guys, this is Elias with Softly, and in this video we are going to quickly export JetEngine custom fields to an XML file using WPL export. Now guys, this is going to be a very quick video, so if you want to know maybe more details about each one of the features we're going to go through, you can check out the other videos in our channel or go to our website at wplimport.com. For now, let's just move on with this one. The first thing we're going to do is select the post type we want to export, which in this case is properties. And we have 74 properties here, and that's the same number we have in our site, right? So it's cool. Let me open this one real quick, just to show you guys what we're going to export today. And we have a couple of simple text fields. This one is a date field, couple of select fields, checkboxes, radius, number. This one is a JetEngine repeater field, JetEngine gallery, media field, and 4 more simple text fields, right? So let's continue with our export. I'm going to click on Customize Export File. And here is our template. Now, the first thing we're going to do is change the export type to feed. By default, it's going to be CSV, but we're going to choose feed so we can export this in XML. We have 2 options for that, but we're going to stick with the simple XML feed. If you want to create a custom XML feed, we have other videos for that. So just as I said before, go to our website at wplimport.com, check out the docs menu, and you will find all of the info there. Now, if at any point you feel a little bit stuck, just don't worry about it and contact our support team. We will be more than happy to help you out, guys. Now, since we already changed our export type, let me preview so you can see this is an XML, and I don't need the ID, so I'm just gonna get rid of that, and we will find our JetEngine fields here in the JetEngine section. Now, as you can see, we have 2 kinds of elements. The first one is in black letters, and the other ones are in green letters, right? So the difference here is that this is a field group, and all of these are the individual fields. So if I drag and drop, say, the availability here, it will just add the availability. But if I drag and drop the whole group, it will add all of the fields contained in that group. So this is what I want. So let me preview. So you can see we have here all of our data, right? We have here our title, the content, the map address, short address, date first listed, availability, listing type, price, amenities, and all of the other fields here. So this is what I want. I don't want to make any crazy stuff here, although we could maybe change this title to name, right? And maybe this one to description. All right. Preview. There you go. Maybe we can also change the order of these elements to maybe put, I don't know, say the date first listed here in the first element, and maybe the price right here, and maybe the amenities should be here too, or whatever. So you can drag and change the order of this however you see fit, right? And if you preview, you will see that the changes are live now. So that's cool. You can even build custom export fields. So if maybe you want to add a static data to the price, let me click here, custom export field, name this price. I'm going to add here a $sign, and I'm going to drag and drop the price like so, preview, and more like it, right? It's cool. Now you can add more static data, you can combine multiple fields, you can run PHP functions to do all sorts of crazy stuff. I have one ready, so we can change these pipes to a comma and maybe have these amenities more, or no, in a more friendly format, I guess. So let me do that. I'm gonna look for amenities here. I'm gonna paste my PHP function here, and what this function will do is use str replace to look for pipes and change those pipes with commas. It's very simple. I'm gonna save this, copy the name of our function, and paste it here in this option that says export the value returned by a PHP function, and save, preview, and there you have it, guys. Very easy, very, very simple. Now, like I said before, guys, we have other videos where we dive more into details about all of this stuff. So if you want to know more, just be sure to check those out. For now, let's just focus on how to export all of these JetEngine fields to an XML. Now we have our fields already where we want them, and we have selected the export type to XML. So let's click continue. Now these are some advanced options, and well, they basically allow you to, these scheduling ones anyway, will allow you to schedule your export and maybe run them automatically on certain days, certain hours, certain times, or whatever. So if maybe you want to run this on a daily basis, you can schedule this here, or maybe you can run this once a month, once a week, however you want, right? Now, lastly, we have these advanced options, and they're very much self-explanatory. So if you read them, you will know what they do, right? So for instance, this one says export each property in real time as they are created, right? That's very straightforward. This one says only export properties once, only export properties that have been modified since the last export. So again, guys, they are very much obvious. So if you read them, you will understand what they do. But you can always hover on these question marks, and it will give you more details about what they do. Now, all of this is going to be run with the default settings. So I'm just going to click on this button and run our export, which is going to be very fast because we only have 74 properties. And since this is good, let's just download our XML and open it to make sure it looks good, which it does. All right. Here is all of our data. That's good. The first listed, name, description, price. You can see that we have here the dollar sign. The amenities have the function running. The elements we change the name are with the name we specified. So that's good. And that's it, guys. Here we have the scheduling panel again, and we have the External Labs tab where you can connect your exports with Zapier, and through Zapier connect with thousands of different apps, right? You can even send this file. You can even send that file via email, or maybe upload that to Dropbox, to Google Drive, connect that to an ERP, send it via FTP, or do whatever you want, right, guys? Now, if this is something that interests you, just be sure to check this video. And of course, if you want to know more about how to import or export not only JetEngine fields, but maybe Metabox, ACF, perhaps you're using WooCommerce to handle your store, and you want to export or import orders, products, or whatever you want, just be sure to check out the other videos in our channel and check out our website at wprintpro.com, where you will find more info on how to do all of that. For now, thank you for watching, and see you next time.